Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the video instruction on how to do Lewis diagrams. Lewis diagrams are much easier than Bohr diagrams. They're simpler and they're more useful to us in terms of discussing bonding. So the main thing, or really the only thing, that you need to remember with regards to Lewis diagrams is something that we discovered the last time that we were doing Bohr diagrams. These group numbers are the valence electron numbers. So group number is equal to the number of valence or outside shell electrons. So if you recall from last time, the valence is the outside shell. Okay? So beryllium had 2 electrons in the outside shell. Nitrogen had 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons in the outside shell. Silicon had 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons in the outside shell. So when you're doing Lewis structures, all you really need to do is look at the group numbers and then draw your Lewis structure, being sure to follow Hund's rule, which means the electrons go in singly until forced to pair. All right, so example, beryllium, Be. We find beryllium, it has in the second group. That means it has 2 valence electrons. That means that there will be 1 there and 1 there. Now, it doesn't really matter where they go. They could go here and here, or they could go here and here, but I tend to go clockwise. Doesn't really matter. Nitrogen. Find nitrogen on the periodic table. Nitrogen is in group 5. Therefore, nitrogen has 5 electrons. Now we're in the valence shell. Now remember, singly until forced to pair. North, east, south, west. Now we must pair them up. Okay? So we have 1 pair, and we have 1, 2, 3. That are lone electrons. All right? Okay, finally, silicon. Find silicon. There it is. Group 4. 4 valence electrons. And again, singly until forced to pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's pretty much it for Lewis structures.